Hey everyone, welcome to our video, Discovering the Power of Canister Vacuum Cleaners. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about canister vacuum cleaners, and why they have become a popular choice for efficient and effective cleaning. So, let's get started. Please check the description link, I will provide detailed information. Canister vacuum cleaners are versatile and powerful cleaning tools, designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. Unlike traditional upright vacuums, canister vacuums consist of two main components: a power unit or canister, and a cleaning head that connects to the canister via a flexible hose. The canister houses the motor, dust bag or container, and other essential components, providing a convenient and portable cleaning solution. With a canister vacuum, you can easily maneuver around furniture, reach tight spaces, and even clean stairs with ease. One of the key advantages of a canister vacuum cleaner is its superior maneuverability. The separate canister allows for a lightweight cleaning experience, as the weight is distributed between the canister and the cleaning head. This makes it easier to move the vacuum around your home or workspace, reducing strain on your body. Canister vacuums are known for their excellent suction power. The powerful motor and advanced technology ensure efficient dirt and debris removal from different surfaces, including carpets, hardwood floors, tiles, and even upholstery. These vacuums come with various attachments, such as brushes, crevice tools, and upholstery nozzles, allowing you to customize the cleaning process according to your needs. Whether it's removing pet hair, reaching high corners, or vacuuming curtains, a canister vacuum cleaner has got you covered. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.